how to fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Roblox right here and make sure that we are logged in into our account. So once you're here, the next thing that we need to do is to go on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the settings icon. Once you click the settings icon, just click the settings right here. And then once you click the settings, what we're going to do next is to click the privacy and content restrictions, which is right here. So click that. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click on content maturity. So click on content maturity right there. And then in this part, you will be able to see minimal, mild, moderate, and restricted. Now, if you see that your settings is on the minimal, what we're going to do next is to make sure that we put it into the restricted. After that, once you click on the restricted right there, what we're going to do is to, of course, verify our age, since only adults ages 17 or older have access to restricted experiences. Now, if you can verify it, what we're going to do is to just click on moderate right there, and then that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix not authorized to join in this experience due to privacy settings.